In this video, we'll explore the vocabulary of room names in a house. I'll read them aloud for you. Want to grab some flashcards? You can download them from my Patreon. Just check the link in the description below. Hi there, I'm Hong, with a master's in teaching Chinese as a foreign language and 9 years of experience. I'm excited to share video lessons with you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Toilet 廁所洗手間廁所洗手間 Living room 客廳客廳 Dining room 飯廳飯廳 Garage 車房車房 Kitchen 廚房廚房 Study room 書房書房 Bedroom 睡房睡房 Balcony 露台露台 Bathroom 浴室沖涼房浴室沖涼房 Yard Garden 花園花園 Closet 衣帽間衣帽間 Utility room 雜物房雜物房 Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit like, drop a comment, and share. Want the flashcards and worksheets to review? Join my Patreon right now. Everything's there. Plus, more notes coming soon. More systematic Cantonese lessons on the way. Subscribe and see you soon.